Welcome to mechmindshub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Did you know that there are more active mobile devices than people on Earth, with over 9 billion connections globally? As we navigate the landscape of technology machines reshaping our world, prepare to be amazed by the fact that AI-driven algorithms are not only mastering complex games but also crafting symphonies and artworks that challenge the boundaries of human creativity. Robotics, once confined to manufacturing floors, is now venturing into the world of healthcare and service industries, blurring the lines between man and machine. Stick around until the end, where we'll uncover mind-boggling information about the incredible ways technology is transforming our daily lives. The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI. Right at the front of the tech race is artificial intelligence, or AI. It's like teaching machines to learn, think, and adapt. But here's the cool part. AI isn't some distant thing. It's already part of our lives, quietly doing its thing. You've probably seen it in action on your favorite streaming site, giving you those spot-on recommendations. And when you're online shopping, AI's there too, making things all personalized. In the medical world, it's even helping out with diagnosis. Now, let's talk about machine learning, AI's sidekick. It's like the brains behind the operation, learning from loads of data to get better at recognizing patterns and making smart predictions. Think of it as the behind-the-scenes hero in various fields. Another AI rockstar move? Natural language processing, or NLP, is the tech magic that lets machines understand and talk like us humans. Siri and Alexa are the go-to virtual assistants powered by NLP, making our tech chats way easier, setting reminders, answering questions, and giving us the scoop on the weather. So, AI isn't just future talk, it's part of our daily routine. Automation and the workforce. So, here's the deal with technology machines in industries. They're all about automation. That means machines doing tasks humans used to do. Sounds cool for boosting efficiency, right? Well, it is, but there's a twist. People are worried about losing jobs because of this. See, lots of regular, hands-on jobs are getting taken over by machines. But hold up, it's not all gloom and doom. In places like manufacturing, robots are doing their thing, making products better and faster. This means human workers can focus on the clever stuff, thinking outside the box and solving tricky problems. It's like a teamwork thing, humans and machines teaming up for a better workplace. Now, with all this tech stuff happening, individuals need to learn new skills. It's called upskilling and reskilling. Education and training programs are the go-to tools for giving people the skills they need to rock in this tech-driven world. So, everyone, governments, businesses, and schools needs to team up to make this shift smooth and not let it mess up jobs too much. Teamwork makes the dream work. The Internet of Things, or IoT. Let's talk about the Internet of Things, or IoT. It's when devices, cars, and appliances connect through sensors and software, making them super smart. Picture a thermostat saving energy or a health monitoring wearable. That's IoT, making life easier and greener. In cities, smart cities use IoT data for better living, like traffic lights changing based on real-time info to reduce traffic and pollution. Even garbage bins get smart, knowing when they're full for eco-friendly trash pickup. Add artificial intelligence, or AI, to IoT, and it gets more exciting. AI analyzes data for better decisions in areas like healthcare and transportation. So, IoT is the tech leader making our world smarter and more connected. Healthcare revolution. Technology is changing the healthcare industry, making things better for patients. Take telemedicine, for example. It's like seeing your doctor through a video call, especially handy if you're in a rural area. Then there's AI-powered medical imaging. which helps doctors spot issues in X-rays and MRIs more accurately. Think of it as a super smart assistant for healthcare pros. And get this, AI is also guiding robotic surgery, making procedures super precise and less invasive, meaning you bounce back quicker. Tech is also sorting out our health records with electronic health records or EHRs, making it easier for doctors to share info and reducing mistakes. Lastly, personalized medicine. Thanks to genetic info and AI, tailors treatments just for you, making them work better with fewer side effects. It's all about using tech to make healthcare more personalized and efficient. Education and learning. Education is getting a tech upgrade, making it easier and more interesting for students. Picture this. Online platforms and apps are like treasure troves of learning materials, letting students go at their speed and personalize their learning. Then there's the cool stuff, virtual reality or VR, and augmented reality or AR. They create these amazing worlds where students can explore historical places or do virtual experiments, making learning way more fun. AI-powered adaptive learning is like having a personal tutor. It figures out what you're good at and where you need help, making sure you get the right support. This way, learning becomes better and everyone's different styles get considered, making education more inclusive. But wait, there's more! Digital education isn't just for classrooms. It reaches people of all ages and backgrounds. Online courses and e-learning platforms open up education to everyone, breaking down barriers and giving chances for lifelong learning. Still, we need to make sure everyone has equal access to these learning tools. It's all about using tech to make education accessible and fair for everyone. As technology keeps changing our world, there is a downside to all the future technology. As of now, we've got to think about the important stuff, like ethics, society, and money matters. First off, there's the whole privacy thing. We need to be careful about how our data is used and make sure algorithms don't play favorites. And then there's this thing called the digital divide, where some individuals have all the tech they need, and others don't. We've got to fix that so everyone gets a fair shot at the benefits of tech. Now, let's talk about the ethics of AI. We need rules and guidelines to make sure machines make good decisions and don't cause trouble. Oh, and there's this tricky thing called algorithmic bias, where machines learn from biased data and end up making unfair choices. We've got to fix that by using more diverse data and being upfront about how decisions are made. Lastly, let's all work together, governments, businesses, and communities, to make sure tech helps everyone and doesn't leave anyone out. It's about making tech a tool for everyone, not a way to keep some people on the sidelines. Technology machines are making a big impact on our world. It's a pretty big deal. We're talking about things like artificial intelligence, automation, and the Internet of Things. These fancy advancements are changing how industries work, how economies roll, and even how societies function, all at a crazy fast pace. While they're giving us cool things like efficiency and convenience, they also come with challenges. We've got to think hard about the right choices and act ethically as we ride this tech wave. It's like finding a balance between embracing new stuff and sticking to the values that make us human. If we team up with these machines instead of just letting them to do their own thing, we can make a future that's fair, green, and super high-tech. It's all about using tech to make the world better for everyone. And there you have it, the journey through the ever-changing landscape of technology machines and their impact on our world. Now, we're eager to hear your thoughts. How do you see technology machines shaping our world? What opportunities and challenges do you think lie ahead? Share your opinions and join the conversation in the comments below. If you found this exploration of technology intriguing and want to stay in the loop with more insights, don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Until next time!